I am in control of my thoughts and my life. I choose positivity in every moment. My mind is full of supportive, positive thoughts. I am worthy of a fulfilling, joyful life. Every day, I become a better version of myself. I am resilient and can handle anything life throws at me. I find joy and pleasure in the simplest things in life. I have all I need to make today a great day. My thoughts are filled with positivity and my life is abundant. I have the power to create the life I desire. Every day in every way, I am getting better and better. I am grateful for the wonderful blessings in my life. I am committed to making positive changes in my life. Positive thinking is transforming my life. I am surrounded by love and positivity. I choose happiness over doubt and fear. My mind is a powerful tool for shaping my reality. I let go of negative thoughts and embrace positivity. I am the creator of my own destiny. Every day, I fill my mind with positive thoughts. I attract positivity, success, and happiness. I choose to see the bright side of all situations. I am at peace with myself and the world around me. My future is full of amazing opportunities. I radiate positivity, grace, and confidence. I am overflowing with joy, vitality, and energy. Every experience in my life helps me to grow. I choose to embrace the adventure of life. My positive thoughts attract positive outcomes. My life is improving with every passing moment. I am worthy of all the good things in life. My mind is clear, focused, and at peace. I embrace my journey and celebrate my successes. I welcome positivity and light into my life. I radiate love, peace, and happiness. I am brimming with health, wealth, and happiness. I am constantly evolving and becoming better. I trust in the process of life. I am courageous and overcome all obstacles. I am grateful for every moment and find joy in all of them.